Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. But before I show you guys what box I have for this video, I have three things I want to say. One, of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the videos that I post on my channel, please consider subscribing. Number two, if I sound like I am speaking funny, it's because I am. I just started some invisible eyeliners, and I actually just put them in yesterday, which it's taking a little bit of time, getting used to speaking with them. So I sound a little bit funny. I apologize for that. And three, I am starting with just foundation and a little bit of concealer because the box that I have, it's the Boxycharm premium box, and whatever makeup items we have in here, I'm gonna go ahead and try to create a look at the end or towards the end of the video using all of the products that we have in here. So for those of you that don't know about this box, this one, it is a second subscription that you can get along with the base box. This one is called the Boxycharm Premium. It is $35 a month, and I believe you get 6 full-size items. So, and it's valued at over $200. So let me just go ahead and open it so we can start getting in the box so we can see what we have, so we don't make this video extra long. And so I'm gonna grab my little pamphlet here. It is Boxycharm Breaking the Ice. And then we have the product information on the back. And yes, we have 6 items. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside, and I'm just gonna start taking them out. Okay. Which one do I start with? I'll go ahead and start with this one. It is from Tula Skincare. It is Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. Ooh, okay. This is actually pretty awesome because, as you guys have seen, for those of you that have watched the videos where I don't have makeup on, I do break out. I have a lot of, acne scars and redness and all of that. So if this one will help my skin, then, that would be totally awesome. So this one, it just says probiotic skincare, 100% free from phthalates, parabens, mineral oil, sodium, and sulfate, and formaldehyde releasing agents, and is also cruelty free. So this is the box, and let's see what this looks like inside. Wow, this is a pretty big bottle. So this is the bottle here. Is just blue with the white letters, and it has a little pop. So it says foaming. It's a foaming cleanser. So I'm assuming once you squeeze it, you get the foam. So first item, pretty good, because I will definitely use that one. Next one here, I'll go ahead and grab this one from Bliss, and it is Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. So this is the box, and it's a mask. Ooh, this one feels different. So it's a metal container, almost like, the hairspray, but it doesn't feel like there's anything in here. So is it just because it's extra whipped? It just says smooth, thick layer onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you just rinse it off. So I'm really curious to see what this looks like, because it really does feel like there's nothing in here. Oh, so it comes with a little lid for the little hole. So weird. I've never seen. Oh, oops. It just came out. So this is our second item. So 2 skincare items so far. Next, I'm gonna grab this one. This one is from Farsali. It is the Liquid Glass Radiant Serum with hyaluronic acid. So more skincare. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I think recently Boxycharm has been a lot more skincare, when last year I think it used to be a lot more makeup. So it has an iridescent glow in here. So this is what it looks like. It has a dropper in here, and let's see on the hand. Ooh, it looks really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the iridescent color that it has. It has a shimmer. And it also has like a white to like purplish kind of like shift. It's really pretty, and ooh, it smells citrusy. Yeah, it smells really citrusy. Feels really nice. So this one says use it as a serum or even as a primer before, makeup application. Maybe apply prior to, mix with, or layered on top of skincare or makeup for a luminous finish. Pretty cool. I've never tried anything from Farsali, so I'm actually super excited for that. Up next, I'm going to grab this one. This one is a Lolita, or it's from Kat Von D in the shade Lolita. It's the single pan eyeshadow. I've never tried a Kat Von D eyeshadow, but this is the one that we got in the shade Lolita. I know this shade is very popular with the lipsticks. I actually own this shade of the lipstick, and I really, really like it. So ooh, that's super pigmented. So that's it there on my finger. Then up next, I'm gonna grab this one. It is from Too Faced. It's the Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette. Wait, so if I have an eyeshadow palette here, I wonder why they gave me an extra eyeshadow on the side. But I mean, hey, that's fine with me. So let me go ahead and take this out. This is super cute. That's what the outside packaging looks like for the palette. And let's see what kind of colors we have in here. Ooh, those are pretty. Oh, those are really pretty. So we have a lot of warm, golden, very shimmery colors. They all look really, really pretty. The only different one that we have is this blue one here. But all the other ones are pretty much in the same color family, and they look really, really nice. I can't wait to use these on my eyes. And we are down to our very last item. It's actually a set. It's from Billion Dollar Brows, and it is the best brow kit ever. This is what it is. Okay, so these are the 4 items that you get inside. So you get the Universal Brow pencil. This is the gel. Let me show you the little. It's a clear gel, so that's the spoolie. And you get a brush, which is this one here. It's just a flat brush. And then this is where you have the concealer and then the highlighter. So this one says it's a universal color, but I honestly do not think it's universal. I think that when I put it on, it looks a little bit too warm on my eyebrows, but I'll go ahead and still use this so you guys can see what it looks like once it's on. So those are all the items that we got for the box. Now let me give you the prices so we can get the total value of the box. So Cindy, so the Too Faced Cosmetic Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party Eyeshadow. This one has a retail value of $45. Then we have the Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. This one is $34. Then we have the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. This one is $54. Then we have the Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow. This one is $19. And we have the Bliss Pore Patrol Mask Deep Detox for Clay Souffle Mask. That's what it says. $18. And the very last one, the Billion Dollar Brows Best Seller Kit. It is $42. So what is the total? The total came out to $212. I honestly do not think that's too bad because I only paid $35. So you have the full size, or not the full size, you have the retail prices. So now I will go ahead and use the eyeshadow. I'm going to try to use both, but if not, mostly this one just because this is a whole palette. And then the only other thing would be the eyebrows. So let me go ahead and put on the rest of my face, and I'll leave both of these to the very end so we can create an eye look. Okay, so I have put on the rest of my face, and I have also moved you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see what I am doing. I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. That's usually what I like to do. I do my eyeshadow first, and I, for whatever reason, always leave my eyebrows till the very, very end. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to start by putting this one here. It's called Rum Tiki, the brown one here. I'm gonna put it all over my lid, and let's see where we end up from there. It's a really pretty color. It's darker than what I expected, but I still really like it as a transition shade to go at the very bottom. So I think I'm gonna do a pretty simple look this time. I think up next, I'm actually gonna go in with this orange one. That one looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that color and then put this one a little bit closer to my crease. I must say these shadows are very powdery, so I hope there is not too much fallout as you put it on. And they're also really pigmented. I didn't think this orange was going to be this dark, but I actually really like it. So this is the second color down. It is way more orange than I was expecting, but it's okay. I don't mind the color. It is like a really nice burnt orange. So up next, I think I'm just gonna get one of these golden ones. I think this one's called TFTI. So I'm gonna lay I'm going to lay that one down all over the lid. So I think I'm actually just going to go in with my finger. It picks it up a whole lot better. So I'm gonna use this mirror here. Oh yeah, that is super pigmented. This turned out to be a very orangey look. So I have both of the metallics on my lid, and then the very last thing I am going to do, I'm going to get another brush, and then I'm just going to warm up the edges with this dark brown here. I'm just gonna keep it on my outside corner just so it won't be as bright. So I'm just gonna warm up or darken the edges a little bit. Okay, so we're almost done here. So I put the dark brown on the edge, and then that same dark brown, I'm actually going to put it down here on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna make it a little bit more concentrated on the outer edges because that's what we have on the top. And then right now, I'm gonna grab another brush. Let's see, we'll go with this one here. And I'm gonna get some of that orange, and then I'm just gonna put it on top of that brown, but just a little tiny bit lower, and blend it out. This orange is super pigmented. Okay, so bottom lash line is done. What I'm going to do next is I'm gonna move on to the brows. So I'm gonna use this the billion dollar brow pencil, and I'm just gonna fill them in with this pencil. I'll be back once I'm done because it's gonna take me a little bit, and I don't want to bore you guys. So I'm just gonna use the little spoolie that we have here, and then all I'm gonna do is fill it in with this pencil. Okay, so I really don't like this pencil. I feel like it's very, very waxy, and it's hard to work with. And then the color, I think on my brows, I prefer them to be a little bit darker. So the fact that it says that it's a universal color, I do not agree. I normally don't use these here, but I think the highlighter goes under your brow. And see, I don't know if I was supposed to do this before I did my eyeshadow. I probably should have thought of that before I started doing my eyes. Oops. But so I think that goes there. And I'm thinking you're supposed to use this. So I just blended out that bottom part with the highlighter under my brow, and then I just used a little bit of the concealer on the top to kind of like try and fix this edge. But like I said, I've never used these before, so I don't really know exactly how to use them. And they're actually not bad because it does help when you need to clean up your brows. The only thing that I can say I didn't like is the brow pencil. It's this one's a no for me just because it's too waxy, and the color itself, I really don't like. So let me go ahead and do my eyeliner, my eyelashes, and my lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are totally done. I used all the products that I could from the box that would go with this look. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. What did you guys think about this premium box? Like I mentioned earlier, I noticed that it was a little bit more on the on the skincare heavy, which normally tends to be makeup heavy. But what do you guys think? I personally think we get a really good value for the $35 that we pay. So that always makes me feel a little bit better. But I want to know what you guys think about it. Let me know down in the comments below. Those were all the products from the box for this video. So that is all from me for today. So I am all done. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you guys all next time. Bye.